Well, new tonight and in our continuing coverage of the opioid crisis here in Colorado, a local college hopes to combat this devastating trend by opening a new counseling center. MAYO Davison in studio for us tonight to explain how this could actually help people struggling with addiction. MAYO?
Yeah, Rob, it really could. University of Colorado Springs is teaming up with state lawmakers to help make the care center a reality. While the center itself would be located on campus, counseling would be offered online and free of charge to anyone needing help. It's been 2 years since the COVID-19 pandemic.
People just are feeling more isolated, more economically stressed than they had been previously.
Which opioid prevention expert PJ Higgins says is contributing to the rise of substance abuse.
Through the first 3 months of 2022, we're on pace to more than double the overdose deaths that we had last year.
UCCS now hopes to combat the growing problem with a new substance use counseling center.
This is exactly the right kind of thing. It's a good, innovative approach. They're doing a lot of telehealth work, which I think is really important, especially, Colorado Springs acts as a hub for a ton of outlying rural communities where treatment access is even more difficult than it is here.
The care center would help the community get treatment, train people to become substance use counselors, and collect data on treatment options.
This is really just to get something up and going in our community and try and get, ahead of this a little bit, because it's a growing problem and we don't really see, an end yet.
Representative Mark Snyder sponsors the bill that would give the college the funds to jumpstart the center.
It's only about $150,000 total. And part of that is because UCCS is willing to provide us with a center on campus and the support that we would need.
But it could also come from behavioral health grants instead of the general fund.
We really want to think about not Band-Aid solutions where we can fund a program for a couple of years right away. How do we build a longer-term infrastructure?
State lawmakers say they should know which funding path they'll be pursuing in a few weeks. They say going through the grant process could be a faster way to get the center up and running.